Hi, welcome back to another video. I was helping one of my teachers at school by putting her stuffs in our house. Yeah, and I got flew off all of the dusters and everything like that. But yeah, I'm going to church tomorrow, and I'm still awake since this morning 7 o'clock, and it's like 4 o'clock now. In the morning, guys, think I'm lying. Okay, look there. Well, my parents is not home, mama alone. I'm all alone. I want to take some clothes out for church. The window. Yeah, it's the light in my sister's room is not that good. But my sister is this skirt now, and it fits me. But it's long, just the thing that it's so long. Even though I'm gonna wear black heels, you see it fits me, but not that good actually. You see so much of it big, so long. I looked in everything of ours now, and only find this black. You guys won't believe what I got a new bag. It's a half moon bag. Yeah, so I have to start with the stop with one of my stuffs. But all that I know, I'm gonna wear heels, purple heels. When last did I wear this jean of me? And look how it look, guys. Yo, that's not beautiful. That's really not cute. I'm just saying now. Guys, I have options. A white jean. I found an outfit that's cute, complicated, and classy. Here's my outfit with my rabbit shoes. Bye guys. Thank you guys for watching. Share, like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Peace.